Hey guys, my name is Adiel and I'm from Cape Town, South Africa. I'm an online entrepreneur, YouTuber, blogger, and digital marketer. Today I'm going to show you guys a quick way in which you can make money using Fiverr.com and Facebook groups. This is an easy method that you can utilize from anywhere in the world. You can make either between $100 or $200 or even more, depending on how busy and active you are. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys what Fiverr looks like, how it works, and how you can get started immediately. So without any further ado, let me head on over to Fiverr. Okay, so this is Fiverr, right? Just want to show you guys. So what we're going to be looking at today specifically is the logo design services that Fiverr has. So if you would like to make, say, if you're in South Africa, or if you're anywhere in the world and you would like to make between $100, which is 1,500 Rand, you can easily do that using Fiverr. So what you would do is you would search for logos, check for budget, let's say $10. You would apply it. Say delivery time. Say delivery time is 6 express. Okay, so as you guys can see, there's a list of sellers or designers that can assist with your particular project, and all in the range of $10. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go over to Facebook, right? Okay, okay, lo and behold. So okay, here's a perfect example. So here's someone looking for, I'm looking for a guy to design a logo. And what you could easily do is you can go into this particular comment over there and state that you can offer a logo at any price, basically, right? Because you're getting the logo for about $10, which is about 180 Rand, you could easily charge 300 to 500 Rand for the logo when advertising to your clients on here. So let me just quickly show you. So we're going to do this group. Let's see what else there is. Okay, let's scroll down. Let's see if there's anyone else that requires a logo to be designed. As you guys scroll through the various groups, just bear in mind that some of them might require logo design, others might need you to design a website of some kind, and you could still utilize that same platform for it. So there's an individual looking for a software developer. Let's look specifically at logos. A logo. Search. So that we can call up all the comments or posts with logos. Or, yeah, the logos in it. So here you guys can see there's that particular one that's looking for a logo, that one there is looking for a logo. And what you could basically do is you can literally just go into these comments and then post your services, or message the individual directly and offer them your your logo services. So once you have the order from the client, or you have interest from the client, you can go over to Fiverr. You can literally just, depending on which one the client wants or what type of logo it is, you then speak to one of the sellers over here, and they'll be able to design the logo for you within 24 hours, right? And that way you can basically make anywhere, like I said, from $100 to $200, which is 1,500 rand in South Africa, or 3,000 rand. And this can be done within a day's time, and you can start as soon as today. So guys, if you found some value in this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and do join the family. I will be posting more videos like these, and it will be various methods showing you how to make money on the internet utilizing your phone or laptop and internet connection. Okay, that is all from me for today. Thank you very much for your time, and enjoy the rest of your day.